Hey, welcome to the channel there. I'm gonna do a quick unboxing of a toy that I got of Smoke. Basically, it was basically how Smoke was when I first got it to where it's at now. But I'm gonna unbox it there. I'll do a quick little rundown here. Alright. Okay, as you can see here, this is my Model S 1/18 scale plaid. Check it out real quick. You usually shouldn't be putting it on this pool table. Come up out of there. Made on Earth by humans. It's upside down. Car container. Shipped. That's for the doors. Remember my other one. Got that. Got your nice, good cleaning cloth. This is gonna be with me at a lot of car shows when I'm showing Smoke. Bam. Hold on 1 second. All right, nice little weight to it. Wait, look at that beauty there. Look at that. The same 21-inch wheels that came with the Smoke. Same color now before it got the wrap. And it's all functional. Hood. Look for your front. You got your rear. Wow, I feel just like the real, kind of like got that feel to it, like velvet or so. Oh yeah. This is what that's for, to help open the doors up. Oh, look at the mirrors fold. Be right back. All right, so let's see. It's so tight. So you use this to open up the doors and so on. Look at that plaid. Look at that plaid. Got the badge and everything. And inside so detailed. Flashlight. Look at that. Got the yoke wheel. Got the new racer seats. Got your rear seats back there as well. Your screen back there. Oh my God, everything is just the same as Smoke. Ha ha ha. But yeah, so there you have it. It's my toy plaid here, replica of Smoke when Smoke first came here. Call me a big kid, but look, I believe in the product. I like what I like. You got your semi there, you got your roaster there, and I got this one here was replica of white ghost here. It was a P100D though, closest I could have got. But also too, stay tuned. I got other ones at my shop of other models that I'll show. Got my toys there, you know, hey, it's the game room. But this gonna be with Smoke at the car shows a lot though. Same size as this one, yeah. All right, I'm gonna do a follow up with Smoke. With this is on top of Smoke. which are going to be at the car shows as well. So stay tuned for other videos coming. Like, share, subscribe to me if you don't mind. And I'll see you on the next one. Peace. Hey Meta, what am I looking at?
You are looking at a scale model of a car, possibly a Tesla Model S or similar design. It is sitting on top of a pool table with red felt and wooden trim.
Amazing. Hey Meta, what color is this model car?
The model car is black.
It's midnight. Hey Meta, what am I looking at?
You are looking at a pool table with a toy car on it.
Thanks.